Energy revolves around us, from the tiniest spark to a blazing flame, from the smallest drop of water to the strongest wave. Everything is driven by energy. And with innovation, energy becomes everything, turning dreams into reality, the impossible possible, powering things, homes, cities, countries, to strive, to progress, to live, to the future. The innovative achiever of power evolution. Gulf. Gulf is a trusted company that innovates to develop premier energy across boundaries. We are one of the leading power producers in Thailand, producing safe, reliable energy for the present and the future. Our successes derive from our staff and their commitment to achieve results, using world-class technology to maximize power efficiency, responsible operating standards, and securing new opportunities for sustainable growth. Gulf and its affiliates sell electricity to the Electricity Generating Authority of Thailand under 25-year power purchase agreements through independent power producer and small power producer programs. In addition to electricity, Gulf also supplies steam and chilled water to industrial users through small power producer programs. For more than 2 decades, Gulf's core management has engaged in Thailand's power generation industry. Since then, we have been successful in every round of IPP and SPP solicitation in Thailand. Starting in 1994, Gulf Core Management took part in Thailand's first ever private independent power producer solicitation, managing 1 IPP, 3 SPPs, and 1 biomass power plant. In 2007, Gulf partnered with J-Power and was awarded 2 IPP and 7 SPP projects. All have been in operation. In 2010, Gulf partnered with Mitsui and was awarded 12 SPP projects, with the commercial operation date commencing between 2017 and 2019. In another partnership with Mitsui in 2013, Gulf was awarded 2 IPP projects. The commercial operation date is expected to commence between 2021 and 2024. Expanding beyond gas-fired power plant projects into renewable energy. In 2013, Gulf partnered with WHA Energy, was awarded 4 solar rooftop projects, all of which have since been in operation. In 2016, Gulf China Green, which is wholly owned by Gulf, was awarded 1 biomass project. The commercial operation date will commence in 2019. In 2017, Gulf partnered with WHA Utilities and Power to develop 2 natural gas distribution projects. The commercial operation date is expected to commence between 2018 and 2019. Gulf continues to grow and maintain its leadership position with 28 power plants located in 9 provinces. In 2017, Gulf has a total installed power capacity of 4,772 megawatts, with a 55% compound annual growth rate within the past 4 years. By 2024, 11 more power plants will be online, bringing our total installed power capacity to 11,126 megawatts. With the longest remaining PPA terms available with EGAT, our projects are running on long-term operational security and stable cash flow. In addition to EGAT, our trusted customers are global players of diverse industrial fields. For over 2 decades, our management team has developed, managed, overseen construction, commissioned and operated numerous power plants. With their expertise, innovative solution, and tireless professionalism, Gulf's achievements are made possible with goal-oriented commitment, strong unity, love for learning, and solution-focused flexibility, all to achieve the most reliable energy solution, empowering social development and environmental protection, to lead Thailand's power industry, powering every corner of the country and the biggest businesses in the world. Energy is our passion, the drive that carries us forward. To secure a safe future, building boundless possibilities. Gulf.